Hello children, hope you are well and good. Welcome back to our maths class. In previously we already studied about fractions and types of fraction and related their sums also. Now today we are going to some new topic, that is some new fractions. Let us see some slides. Now let's start with our slides, equivalent fractions. Now this is our topic, equivalent fraction. What do you mean by equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction means equal. We have to take this fraction in an equal way. Equivalent fraction have the same value even though they may look different. Here some examples are given: 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Here this circle, if I shaded one part, total part is 2. So what it will be? 1 by 2. Now here total part is 4. What is shaded part here? 2 only. So 2 by 4. And third circle, how many shaded part is there? 3 shaded part here. Now total part will be 6. So it will be 3 by 6. Now last one is, how many part is shaded? 4 part is shaded out of 8. Now let us our next example for equivalent fraction. This is an example of our pizza. You are already heard about. Now if I divide it into 2 equal parts, so it will be 1 by 2. Now next one is, if I divide it next pizza part, that is 4, out of 4 it will be 2 shaded part. It means 2 you have eaten. Now third one is, if you are taken 4 pieces of pizza out of 8, so it will be 4 by 8. Now this all the values are looking different but has same equivalent fraction. Now next one is simplest form. What do you mean by simplest form? Simplest means if any fraction is there, so it should be lowest form. If any fraction will be there, so it should be lowest form. We have to reduce it. Here some example we are taken: 8 by 16. How we will reduce? It will reduce as 4 by 8. Next is 2 by 4. Last one is 1 by 2. Now we can't replace it. This is the way how to reduce to the lowest form. Next is 8 by 24. Next one is how we will reduce 4 by 12. How we will reduce next one? 2 by 6. Last one is 1 by 3. These all are simplest form. Next we will comes to our next topic, that is addition of fraction. Now in addition of fraction, we know that addition of fraction with like fraction. Like fraction means we know that same denominator we have to consider here. Add 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So how we will add it? 5 as our same denominator. So if we add in numerator, that is 2 plus 3, we will get 5 upon 5, that is 1. So in our next topic is addition of unlike fraction. Now if I added here different denominator, we are looking, so 1 by 2 is a first fraction, second is 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. Here these 3 are same denominator, we will not see. Here different denominator will be there. So let us find the LCM. 2, 3 and 7. What we will get? 42. Now if I take first fraction 1 by 2, so how we will do? We have to, same as it is, our denominator will be 42. What we will multiply here? 2 multiplied by 21. So what we will get? 42. It means 42 in denominator also same here, LCM is also same here. Now what we have to do? In same denominator 21 we are multiplying, so we have to also multiply with numerator also. So we are getting 21 upon 42. Same as here in 2 by 3 also and 4 by 7. So what we will get here? Same denominator we will get here. So what we will do? We have to add it 21 plus 28 plus 24, that is our numerator. Now what we will get again? 73 upon 42. Now this is not a simplest form, again we can't reduce it. So this is the way how we are adding unlike fraction. So comes our new topic, that is subtraction of unlike fraction. Now, here some example we have taken 3 by 8 from 5 by 12. It means 5 by 12 minus 3 by 8. So, let us find the LCM here. Same procedure, 8 and 12 we have to take LCM, that is 24. Take first fraction, that is 3 by 8. So, we are continue our denominator as multiply 8 multiplied by 3. So, we are getting 24, that is our LCM, and same multiplication here 3 you can multiply in numerator also. So, we will get 9 upon 24. Now, next fraction also you have to like that. After that we have to do subtraction. In our question asked 5 by 12 from 3 by 8. So, what we will do? 10 by 24 minus 9 by 24. So, 24 is the common, it means same denominator here. Now, 10 minus 9, that is 1 by 24. This is all about our subtraction of unlike fraction. Now, next topics move on multiplication of a fraction. Multiplication of a fraction, if I multiply a whole number, that is a complete whole number. See, look at here, 2 is an complete whole number. If I multiplied with a fraction, that is 2 by 3, it means proper fraction. If I multiply whole number multiplied by proper fraction, we will get mixed fraction. So, multiply the whole number with the number, so we will get 4 by 3. Convert into mixed fraction, so what is the value here? 1 whole 1 by 3. Now, next is multiplying a fraction by a fraction. Now, in this process, how we will multiply here? 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. Of means here multiplication. So, a proper fraction is multiplied with a proper fraction. So, we will get again a proper fraction. So, how we will multiply with numerator as numerator? 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, and 2 multiplied by 3, that is denominator, equal 6. So, 1 by 6 our proper fraction. Now comes to our next slide, division of a fraction. Now in this case, if we have some example here, 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 7. So first is 3 by 4, our first fraction, we have to remain keep as it is 3 by 4 here. Now second one is divide. What we have to do here? Divide will change into multiplication. Next is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is the reciprocal here. Reciprocal of the 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. We will flip here. So what we will get? Numerator multiplied by numerator. That is 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we will get the 21 upon 8. Now the concept of here reciprocal we will discuss here 2 by 5 and 5 by 2. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5 here? 5 by 2. Numerator comes to in the denominator and denominator comes to in the numerator. So here let us see example 1 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. So 1 by 3 remain as it is, divide convert into multiply, 4 by 5 is change into our reciprocal, that is 5 by 4. So what is our value we will get? 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5, and denominator 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. So we will get 5 upon 12. So that's all about today's topic. We will continue this topic in our next class. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.